Hello everyone. As you can see, what bag I am going to be showing y'all today, what's in my bag, and this is pretty. I'm so excited to finally be able to break her out. Yes, she is ready. She is ready for this weather. And the name of this is Let's Get Cozy Satchel, and in the color pink, lemonade, and flamingo. This is the card on her. Of course, she is juicy. So this is the card. So I can't wait to show you everything that I have in my bag. So let's get started. First thing, this charm on the front, this right here, I made this before they even came out with their charm. And it's so funny because I made this, and then when I seen the bags with the charms on it, I said, that's so funny. I said, because I made one. This is my initials for my first name. It's got a little crown on it. So I put that on there, and I got this heart from something else. I think like a wallet or something. And then I got this heart off of something. And this right here, this crown. I think I got off maybe off from wallet. I think the wallet has the chains on it with all the little charms on it. It's on a wallet of Juicy Couture's. That's where I got the charms from. I just took it off of that wallet and made me a bag charm out of it. So yeah, so this is my charm that I made right here. Okay, it's on the front, and then that's this cute Betsy Johnson bear charm. And then I got this little cute charm from Temu. So I just thought it looked cute on here. And so you go all the way around. I got this little heart charm here. Just threw that on there. And then this is Juicy Couture charm that came off that goes on one of the bags. So I put this on the back like that, and then put another bow on the back. So yeah, I thought that was so cute. And then the puff heart that was on the bag, I just put it on the zipper pull and added this juicy little sign right here, or little charm on here for the zipper pull. So yeah, here's another look at how she looks. I just think she looks so cute. Okay, so we're gonna get into what's in her. Okay, so this is the overview of what she looks like inside. So I'm gonna get started. First thing that's right on top is this cute little tech case. I added this little crown on it a while back. And inside here is my ear pods. So these are the ones that go around your ear. I got these from Amazon. No, I got these from TikTok. These are the newest ones. Yeah, so I actually got two. The other ones I got from the TikTok shop in my work bag. So yeah, so I got this in there. I got this cute little case in some friend mail. It was so cute. I thought she was cute. She looked good with the bag, so I wanted to include her in here. And she has that glitter around the side. And inside, I have some Juicy Couture flossers. Okay. Oh, and it does have two slip pockets in the front. And I have lotion in one of the pockets. And this is Champagne Toast Hand Cream from Bath and Body Works. And in the other pocket, I have some Juicy Couture tissues. Okay. I have my extra set of keys. Here's my wallet that I'm using, and this is a Anne Klein. And it does come with the little charms and the part where you can put it on your keys if you want to. And then she has her little AK on here. And then this other little charm. Okay. And it's just, it's accordion style like that. And so I just have my cards in here. I'm not gonna open up my driver's license, so I'm not gonna show you all that, but I thought she was such a cute little wallet. Have this cute little pouch in there. I got this in friend mail, so I just added these charms on there, so I'm kind of make it not look plain. And here, my bathroom items. And here I have this cute little, I got this in friend mail, these cute little containers, and I have some Tylenol and Benadryl in that. And this is like just a Himalayan salt, cooling, natural, mint oil inhaler. So if you stopped up or something, I got this from the Dollar Tree. So you just like the Vicks, just take it off and up your nose, yeah. So I mean, you ain't got to put it in your nose. I smell it, but I didn't put it up my nose, yeah, because I got the little holes around there, so I'm already smelling it. But yeah, so just gonna try that out and see how that works. My soap sheets from Shop It's A, my bathroom spray, and then I have some wipes in here. I have some no water toothbrush in here, and then I have feminine wipe, this antibacterial wipe, alcohol wipe, stain removal wipe, another feminine wipe, and another antibacterial wipe, and then a makeup removal wipe. So, okay. All right, so it was in this cute little pouch. Oh, and in the front up here, I just have some tissues in here. Okay. Next, I have my little pen pouch in here, and I got this cute little pouch right here, and then have some pens in here. I have these two pens. I got these in a set of 3 from Burlington. They're so cute, the heart on there. And then I have my pen. And then I have this cute little pen. Oh, look at this. She is so cute. This butterfly. Look at her. And I got this from Pink Chic Poppin'. She does have a website with that name, so you can go on there and get you some pens. And, you know, and other items she has on there. Lip gloss, frosted glasses. Yeah, just go in there and check out her website. She got some really pretty pens and items on there, okay? And then I got this pen that I got in friend mail. Okay. Okay, next in my bag, I do have my phone case. This is the case that I will be carrying with this bag. I have some glitter spray, body spray. I got this in friend mail, some Perfect in Pink hand sanitizer and spray from Bath and Body Works. It's so cute with the bowls on there, so cute. The packaging is cute. I have my makeup pouch in here. This little gold pouch, I thought it was so cute and go with all the gold that's on my bag, so I decided to use it. Okay, I'm gonna put my zipper pull back on there. Just pulled it right on off of there. Okay, that had this little butterfly zipper pull on here with a little heart. Okay, all right. And inside here, oh, of course, you know, I can't leave it home without it. Pink Chick Poppin' Bubblegum Lip Gloss. Okay, with a little sweet candy on the hanging on there. So yeah. So as I mentioned before, you know where to get this from. I told you, Pink Chic Poppin'. Yes. And then I have my Beauty Creation lip oil, my Zara Rollerball perfume, my nail kit, my nail file, my Ioni lip pencil, my NYX butter gloss. Have this cute little mirror that I got from Temu, and it's double-sided, just like that. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, just dropped it. Okay, here it goes. And have my blotting sheets, and this is Too Faced Lip Injection Lip Gloss. I'm gonna have this lip gloss that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I have my Ioni tweezers. And then I have some lip balm in this cute little case. All right, so that's it in my makeup bag. All right. Okay, there she is. Then I have my planner in here. Okay. And in the back pocket, I just have my flashlight. Here she goes. Okay. So yeah, that is it. That is all in this bag. And I'm so excited about carrying her this week. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna be carrying her every day, but I know I'm gonna start off the week by carrying her. Yep. So yeah, that's how she looks inside. Same print. Like I said, the zipper pocket in the back, 2 slip pockets in the front. Yep. So yeah, there she is. So I will be right back to show you everything together. All right. Okay, everyone. This is everything that was in my bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you hadn't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to welcome you to the Sassy family. And turn on that notification bell so you know when I post another video. All right, until next time, y'all. Bye. Enjoy y'all Sunday.